It was up to Nabakumianu. It was up on Rastaman throw one stop. God, Jesus. Acquire John.
Say everything. But destroy everything. And now we can lose comfortably. Now we can lose comfortably. Baby, I rise the in penalties now. That is
what destroy everything. But stop him. And as your best copy, we go again at betway.com.gh. Akwenya so be dinner opportunities near Bebre. The bet to a Sunday for crab cancan who be more who be brave. It will be one no anything. One another something which is the entity say Caprep Zone Group number 0249 13674 for yes, yes, ladies first. And the Black Queens of Ghana, the senior female national team of Ghana. One more catching Madrid and China new coach by came last. Now, what shall say young was ahead of the Alcon. Now Alcon. Ye training must ebe baso den from the 5th to the 26th of July 2025 Morocco Ghana ye pese kwaji din panti Mariana statistics mo ho me no ka se Morocco ye dika mo update no a chira so send na mesi ko wa eno mo yan wose eni Morocco national team no abo friendly match ye wo ye brody anyama nkan wo mo chi Ghana ebo the Black Queens by a goal to nail. Chelsea team say yes. First half 0-0, second half. And I'm just going to Babetumu. I will be my show. Now, yeah, can say came last. We're in the first competitive game. Warbo as head coach of the Black Queens. Do you hear?
Start with this is the worst feeling you can have as a coach and as a player when you work hard for almost the whole game. You deserve at least a draw result. You have the chances to actually win, and then you have a little bit unlucky in the end. The ball bouncing in their direction, and they score when there's almost nothing left. So I'm really proud of the girl. They worked hard. There haven't been so many trainings together, actually just one full training. The focus have been like to work as a group and a little bit more with the defense, to be well organized when it comes to like defense set pieces and things like that, and they did an amazing job. So yeah, just a little bit unlucky in the end, but overall I'm happy with the girls. I mean, I think it's great. Of course, we knew it's going to be tough today with, like I said, like only like one really full training with all of the players. And of course, it's tough, but also really good and fun for us to see that we have the potential to play against a good team, away game, and already now we are in the same level as them. I mean, they have been with the same coach for 1.5 years or something like that. I have just been for a couple of trainings. So I think like the future is so bright, and we're just going to keep working hard. We're going to learn from this game. It was a really good game for us, and we're going to make sure that we are prepared for the summer.
We got to make sure we are prepared for summer. And then Black Queens head coach, Ninsema Wate Atu Ejati say yes, Warrior Brofun watch him say Moko for no more coach in Wacho. Wache na say ja one more buy enche kura ne ade enti one training session pe energy ama Black Queens who say one more improve pa bibia be fine ade ye can the women Cup of Nations Ghana ye group C in South Africa, Mali and Tanzania, and ye group ni mo ye hwe second bias bibia betumi akoye Mali social so Mali, Tanzania, South Africa and Ghana ni mo group mo ye be se betumi qualify dia akoye na yetumi ahwe kura na da che bia man World Cup where did you feel Black Queens also by the one some airpa and then woman athletic club man Raja club athletic e man on airport 3:30 and on the boss of Morocco wanti be di extra the be piano get on some ebro live on Adom 106.3 FM Sports Page 1
Adom FM.
Over the weekend, MTN FA Cup eba so ebiafi maybe jina wana so pa nya sam ketwa. Now Brekum Chelsea agent Naso Born Northern City by 4-1. Brekum Chelsea ya the papa one penny omwe. Hey, Northern City for so well, we move. Ebe send no so some so ABC akona. Karala Boyong Apostles by goal to near golden kicks for and so Omone House of Oak ball 0-0. Hey. Wow. House of Oak for Nyabre papa batamfa. Yeah, you must feel 4-3 on penalties. Yes. Oko PM one time the visa for so any goal stars at the PM so I just say enya sem keto atram the visa goal stars a film na division 1 for na yi for na film no. No one say no. Na golden kick for so jina mo na so ayi so for film utumo se fifi Parker Hansen. One no ye coach ma golden kicks for no chire mo zere. Ye ni bra buy no nya glory e bedi you. Eti nyame wan wase etime yi so for film.
That is a Ediba bonus. You better dominate the game. So I just say, buy no. before even once of football, it's working around their weaknesses. So now able to be able to community and then win the game. They pretty very nice opportunities. I say you to win finding the back of the net, but keeper no Asiedu. Nothing I to me
Way golden kicks for one more coach, not in some to channel. Now, you can say no, what to say, yeah, one more qualify for my mama who nina. It's Yaku anymore, no, you better send almost so next round of the competition based Yaku, a run of 16 Shannon. Now, true democracy, a Nania FC on penalties 5-4. Bechem United also a Techiman Liberty Youth 4-3 on penalties. Wait. Any other resource and this what people and what the MTN FA Cup more. You don't want some pro and then play live on Adom 106.3 FM TFA Cup the year and man of the Sugusu Koso. Yes, say when and a Ghanaian Premier League no Ebeshasi or Hormona. Ye feed weekend the Basan the Okopima Ghana 90 Bojuma Kudus Mohamed Nano Western Forche Asna Bomb Kabakwas to Miantiano Nakudus Jiramu Dandan and one Yajma Pad my Western 4 Sansona Kopimo Nyaki Williams after some time go number I bremu pa but I feel go number near dia now Okopiemo our Liverpool force waka chemu timi jam na so Man City by 2 goals to 0 ama league no say dey twa na mo twi master so kwakwoti ahwe it's 11 points and a down money Aston temo minim ba bi Aston abefa across saga boy Liverpool on top with 64 Aston second with 53 and Nottingham Forest also nyansan 47 Man City also 9 44 points we dey koso England City despite their struggles now still more top 4 anymore and easy cry Spain swire the Real Madrid winning here Atletico winning here Barca winning here now Barca on top with 54 Real Madrid second 54 Atletico third 53 wow we anything the table is it here Italy so swire though Italy tiade over the weekend Inter say meshe Napoli say meshe hey Napoli foi mani abrepe so mo ye bibio we move you better send a besia ko sanse send mani abrepe so mo sha babaji league no Chromo 14 feature Napoli by 2 goals to 1. It was a shocking result. Fabregas in the Chromo for Mohadrin 2-1 and I'm winning over Napoli. Inter Milan on top with 57, Napoli second with 56, and our face to Atlanta third with 54 points. Where did the cost for Italy? Juventus also 9 or 49 points. Germany there Bayern Munich Jabo so watching Leverkusen by 8 points. And I could pay more France also. PSG also watching or 59 points. Marseille also or 46 points. Where did the cost across Europe and so they want some Ebron and pay. Kashan is Ruben van Persie, former player at the Arsenal, former player at the Manchester United, one a new coach at the Feyenoord Rotterdam. Tishanes was half mame. Champions League omni in Tamland bebo non radio mbekwakobo. Hey, pa. I'm saying you don't see you know about the sports page 2 about sports page 1 year FPAC BX tablets and Ponce for the can one pay the bell. Samsung na DBS in Asus Limited 7 can chance about dinosaur. A DBS roofing papa fee. DBS for roofing papa bo fee DBS at Temoswa. Nay, sorry, DBS at the Marseilles. I'm about dinosaur DBS about free at the amount MTN everywhere come MTN up no and that's how you so MTN up no. Papa no na bibia peso yo MTN so no with my na bibia timi akoye and so at the amount MTN everywhere you go medical come wasam e dey chodada betway medical come wasam e dey chodada DBS medical come wasam dey chodada you makwe dey sia konkon ne the sports page 1 e dey bro ya no wakai e dey nankasa ka Kegyiwa no ho Eric Asiedu Boadi ko so ati adwa so nsam